Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with two essentials: an updated Instagram app and the YouTube video link. Open YouTube, tap Share, then copy link so the URL is on your clipboard. Once done, switch to Instagram, swipe to Stories, and capture or choose the photo or clip that will host the link. Make sure the visual clearly signals the video topic. This increases taps. Now proceed to add interactive elements, stickers, and text before you paste the link so the story layout is set. Tap the sticker icon, pick the link sticker, and paste the copied YouTube URL into the field. Instagram will fetch a preview so you can confirm the correct video. Once confirmed, drag and resize the sticker where it's most visible, and add a short CTA like "Watch full video" or a timestamp to boost clicks. You can change sticker color to match your story. Make sure text and sticker don't obscure important visuals. Clear hierarchy makes the tap target obvious. Tap Send to right arrow your story to publish, or select Close Friends for a limited audience. After posting, test the link by tapping it on your own story. This verifies the redirect to YouTube. If the sticker doesn't open, recopy the video URL from YouTube or share via the mobile browser and try again. Sometimes the app clipboard hiccups. If problems persist, update or reinstall Instagram, clear cache, and retry. That usually resolves sticker or preview errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.